The shock drop for the UNC Jordan 1s is coming soon, and there's a lot of stock, so make sure you watch to the end of this video so you don't miss out on this sneaker. While I got your attention, leave a like on this video, subscribe, and let's get straight to it. This isn't the first time we've seen a UNC Jordan 1. They pull from this colorway because they know that this is a color that's gonna sell out every time. From the original UNCs that dropped in 2015, those were low-key bricks until Off-White did the UNC 1. They literally skyrocketed. Ever since, we've been seeing more university blue Jordan 1s like this pair right here with that Chicago color blocking. You got that suede. The leather on this pair is nuts. Super tumbled. Great quality on this Jordan 1. We also got the Obsidian Jordan 1, which features that black toe color blocking, but instead it has navy, baby blue, university blue around the collar. This is probably one of my most worn Jordan 1s. One of my favorites, actually. There's been a ton of different iterations like the Eric Costin low. This time we're getting the UNC toes. Plus we're getting a lot of pairs. 400,000 in the US for sneakers only, which is a lot of pairs. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. If you want this sneaker, you should be able to get your hands on them. Now I wouldn't say sit around, chill on your couch.
Just hanging around.
Don't put the footwork in because you definitely won't get these. But if you really want them and you're out here hitting the mall up, sneakers app when the time comes, Finish Line and JD Sports are probably going to do a reserve type situation where you could go pick them up on a day of. And I'm 90% sure that there's going to be a shock drop for this sneaker. Low-key, we were supposed to get these July 8th and they got pushed back for July 22nd. For a minute, these were reselling for $700, and recently sneaker stores have been getting their pairs. Now an early pairs on GOAT for like $300. I'm low-key debating on picking a pair up. If that's something y'all would like to see on the channel, make sure you comment, cop the UNCs in the comments. We low-key got another pair of Jordan 1s early, which y'all will be seeing on an upcoming video. I wouldn't mind picking up this UNC too, I'm not gonna lie. Let me know if that's something y'all like to see, but 400,000 pairs is a lot of pairs. Size 10 alone has like 48,000 pairs, which is a lot. All that being said, UNC colorways tend to do good no matter how much stock there is. These are gonna go. I don't feel like these are gonna do what the taxis did, where people thought they were gonna sell out and do great numbers and then didn't end up doing it. UNC is a more wearable color from kids, men to women. Everybody loves a baby blue sneaker, especially from Jordan brand. Yellow doesn't have that same type of pull, so these are definitely gonna sell out fast. Don't know if resale is gonna be crazy at first, maybe like $200 to $240 considering the sneaker market nowadays. This isn't one that's gonna be on shelves, and if it is, come back to this video and let me know that I was tripping. I feel like these are gonna sell out first day easily. No matter how many pairs there are. Definitely gonna try to get my hands on these. From what I've seen, the quality on them is looking real nice too. I've seen a couple reviews already. That leather looking real tumbly. The materials looking real lovely. And shit, bro, I might have to get me a pair of these. Let me know if this is on your hit list for July. I'm so glad we're out of the month of June, because honestly in June, there weren't too many sneaker releases that were oomph. You get what I'm saying? Like July is coming crazy. At least it's starting to heat up, because I know the rest of the year is going to be packed with a bunch of heat. So we got a lot of early sneakers on the way. I promise y'all, make sure you sub up and start showing some love so that I could keep copping this early heat for y'all. We about to start going crazy. I just felt like doing this quick little video letting you know that there's possibly a shock drop coming for these. There's hella stock for them. Doesn't mean sleep, because if you sleep, you gonna have to end up beating your meat under the sheets, because you're not gonna get these in the streets.
Nope.
I don't even know what the fuck I just said, but realistically, bro, if you sleep, you're not gonna get these. You gonna be sick. That's all I'm saying. Jordan 1s, Jordans in general have been dead. You could walk into the store and pick up some pairs for retail. This one is not one of those pairs. If these would have dropped 2 to 3 years ago, they would have went for $400 easily. So these are gonna sell out no brainer. 400,000 pairs. There's a lot of sneakerheads that are gonna want these. I'm gonna try to keep y'all updated on this pair. We're hearing rumors that the shock drop is gonna be this week. If there's anything set in stone by the time I post this video or later on, I'll definitely make sure to update y'all. But that's pretty much everything I had for you in this video. If you enjoyed this one, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and click this video right here, because that's what YouTube is recommending you. I love y'all, and hey, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.